What set me on the path of electrical engineering in particular was that I did systems and control at GCSE, and that was all electronics, and it had a really nice mix of the physical things and the programming that I quite enjoy as well.
The reason why I study electrical and electronic engineering is I was good at math and physics in high school. I often got high marks and was interested in learning the working principles of machines, especially about electricity.
Bristol has a lot of space for hobbyist style projects as well, and I think that's really valuable. The electrical lab is only a couple of years old. I think it was pretty much brand new when I started, and so all of the tools, you sit there and you think, whoa.
I choose Bristol as my university is they have diverse courses such as different coding courses like Python, C language, MATLAB, and there are many different lab experiments taught us a lot of useful knowledge and experience. My next plan is to have the postgraduate study, and I plan to research in the power electronic direction, the same direction as my individual research project.
To anybody that is looking to study electrical engineering at Bristol, yeah, I think I'd really recommend it. I've had a good time, I've got a good job, and I've met some really nice people.
You will discover your personal interests, skills, and enjoy life here.